everyone, Happy New Year. Hope you had a great Christmas, hope you had a great New Year, hope you had a busy one if you wanted a busy one, and I hope you had a quiet one if you wanted a quiet one. I had a lovely one, thank you. It was all with family, so that was very, very nice. Anyway, wish you all the best for 2019. And now I'm going to tell you all about Craftsuprint. Oh, just before I go on to that, just wanted to thank you all from my last video. The comments and the tickets was absolutely lovely. Thank you very much indeed. And obviously, if you have any more comments, greatly appreciated. And if you want to send in tickets again or on Facebook, that's absolutely brilliant. Thank you very much indeed. Okay, as you know, last time we spoke about the weekly giveaway. I hope that helped. I hope lots of you had lots of freebies and you were able to make your lovely reindeer cards. This time we're going to talk about how to find and follow your favourite designer. So I hope I will be able to help you. Welcome back everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video there for the find and follow your favourite designer. Okay, I'm going to tell you about our pound shop. You may have come across it, but if you haven't, I'm just going to let you know about 4 products that we have. But it's basically just to explain the quality of the items that we have in the pound shop, and they're all just for £1. Okay, I'm just going to introduce the first one. This is a die. Okay, look at that. If you went to, excuse me, if you went to Hobbycraft, that would not cost you £1. That definitely would not cost you £1. Look at what you can create with that. Look, it's made of steel. It's absolutely brilliant. Just £1. All right, our next one. Now, this is a packet of 6 die cuts, okay? Now, I've already opened one up just so I can show you the quality of it, but you do get 6. Look, you get the 1, ooh, there we go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here's one I opened earlier. There's 6 in each because I counted them before. But they're die cut. They're already done for you. All you need to do is just add a little sticky on the back. You can use them as embellishments. You could use them just to create the card itself. Oh, there we go. Just look, the quality of that. It's brilliant. Okay, and you get 6 designs with 6 of them in each. Bargain, just £1. The next one I'm going to show you is our Cheer Up Friendship, what can I say, 3D, let me just open it up for you and show you. This is a game, can be used as a card topper, but the quality is absolutely fantastic for £1. Look, this can be used for any teenager. I think it looks more of the female, but you can use it for anyone. Look. We've got the Cheer Up, maybe a cheerleader or teenage girl or a younger girl. Look at this. They could even make it themselves, all for £1. They could give it to their friends. Look, friendship, hearts, 3D. We've got jewels on there. I've also got a boys one as well. I mean, I'm not being gender specific, but you know, you could use this one for a boy one. I know girls are into space just as much, but same again, we've got a 3D one. This one's got glitter on. We've got the orbits, we've got spaceships, aliens, all for £1. How fantastic is that? You could make a few cards with that one. All of them you can make a few cards. I just wanted to let you know how to get to our pound shop. If you just follow me, and I will show you. Okay, I'm going to tell you all about this week's freebie, and it's by Carol Dunne. It is called, it is called Vintage Floral Patchwork Butterfly. Nearly forgot then, so sorry Carol. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I think this would be lovely for a Mother's Day card. And did you know that Mother's Day this year? Can't believe we're already talking about it, but it's the 31st of March in this country. And did you know in the US they have a different Mother's Day date, and theirs is on the 12th of May. Anyway, I do think it's a beautiful card. I mean, obviously it can be used for birthdays and things, but I just think it would be lovely for Mother's Day. The colours are beautiful, it's got lots of sentiment, so you can use it for different things. We've got for your wife, if you wanted to make one, or with love. You could sell that for someone to make as their wife. We've got partner, we've got the grands, because grandparents as well, very important. We've got birthday, happy Mother's Day, as I've just mentioned, just for you, your beautiful sister, obviously our lovely mothers or daughters, they're lovely too. And there's the sheet, that's the flat sheet, which Anne-Marie will show you shortly. And then obviously there's the butterflies themselves. The embellishments are included. Obviously you can see the buttons, and these are on the card itself, as you can see. It folds flat, so you can post it. Oh, sorry, just let me move those out of the way for you so you can see. It's absolutely beautiful, so versatile, and our beautiful Anne-Marie will be going to show you how to make that just now.
Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to this episode of CUP TV, brought to you by www.craftsuprint.com. In this episode we're going to be looking at a gorgeous kit from Carol Dunne, and the CUP number is CUP 528094_173. The kit is called the Vintage Floral Patchwork Layered Butterfly Easel Card Kit. And it's 4 sheets in the kit, plus the card front and plus instructions. And the great instructions because they're a good step-by-step to show you if you've never made an easel card before. Carol's thought of everything, and I want to run through the sheets that you get in the kit, and then we're going to make the card to show you just how easy it is. So the first sheet in the kit is the main card base, the butterfly base, and this is part of the stopper at the top to help the easel stand up. Next in the kit we've got the actual easel card liner, which we're going to line part of the card with, and we've got some gorgeous sentiments, and I just want to point one out here that says handmade by. Now this is excellent for putting on the back of your card, and you fill your name in along the dotted lines, and then the person that you're giving it to will know that you've made that for them. So the next sheet is the large butterfly and the medium butterfly, and Carol's added embellishment buttons, and she's also added where you need to score the medium butterfly. It will be the same for the smaller one as well, but you actually put directions on there for where you score, because then you can make the butterfly wings stand out. The last sheet in the kit are extra sentiments and the smaller butterfly, again with the details for where to score either side of the butterfly body, and a blank sentiment as well, so that you can add your own sentiment. So we're going to make the card, and as I said, there's easy to follow instructions in the actual kit anyway. So the first thing I've done is I've cut out the card base. Now on the instructions there are guidelines for where you can score, so you will need a bone folder to be able to score along the 2 lines that are shown on the base sheet. So first thing that you do, now I've already got tape on the back of mine, and I'll show you for why when we get to that point. So we're going to score along the edges where the guides were on the sheet. If it helps, you can always score before you cut it out. So you could score along the lines and then cut it out. Now the action that we're going to be looking for, the folds, are we're going to fold towards us and then we're going to fold in. And that gives you the mechanics for the easel. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to add our liner. Now this was on sheet 2 and this is a piece of gorgeous floral that matches into the design, that makes a liner for the card, and so that you don't have any white bits. And we simply place that. I've put double-sided tape on the back of mine, and we simply place that over that section there. Now I'm going to turn the card over and I'm going to add my handmade sticker. And this was, I'm saying sticker, the sentiment. I've added my name and I'm going to position it just to the back there, just towards the centre, just with using double-sided tape. Now I'm going to turn the card back because we're going to add the butterfly. Now you can see on the tail section that I've cut out, I've already added double-sided tape. So I'm going to peel the top of my tape away, and it's only on this section, it's only on half of it, where the half of the butterfly is, because we're going to add the butterfly, the largest of the 3. Now you don't want any tape on the back of this, and you're going to marry up the bottom of the butterfly wings to the bottom of the card that you've got tape on, and you're going to marry up the edges. If they're not perfect when you put them together from your cutting out, you can just simply give them a little trim and pop that down. You see, under normal situation, I'm not filming, I will just trim that away, and then that's the beginning of our easel card. So you can see now how it's starting to build up. So my next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to build the butterfly. Now Carol has given instructions about where to score at either side of the butterfly body. So it's either side here, give it a score and then give it a fold to make sure you've got that section nice and sharp. And then what I've done is I've added flat tape through the body of the butterfly, and I've just added a little bit of 3D foam at either side of the wings, so we can add butterfly number 2 on top. So the body will sit flat, and then you've got a little bit of decoupage for the wings. Then we can take butterfly number 3, and I've done exactly the same. I've got flat tape on the body, I've scored it and folded it at the side of the body, and then I've also got 3D foam, so I can add butterfly number 3 on top. So we've built the layers for the butterflies. Now I'm going to take the little buttons that Carol's added, and I'm going to add them in all 4 corners of the butterfly and get them just on the wingtips there, and the 4th one at the other side. I've also got the 3 smaller buttons. Now I'm going to add those to the butterfly in the centre. And again, these are just on 3D foam. And there we go. The last one on the wingtip there. So that's our butterfly built up nicely. Now I'm going to build the section for the easel that's going to stop the butterfly from falling over, shall we say, because we want it to stand up proud. So we're going to take our first section that we cut out on 3D foam, and this was on the base sheet, and I'm simply going to position it just towards the centre of the card and press it down. And then I've taken the sentiment of my choice and I've used With Love. I've got 3D foam on the back of it, and I'm going to add that just partially over the previous embellishment, and I'm going to press it down, and that will act as the stopper for the butterfly, like that. Very difficult to show you on film, but it will stand up nicely like that, and you can see from the side how it's the perfect easel. Now I'm going to lift it up now, and it'll probably all topple over, so you can see how it stands up, and it's such a beautiful design. And how easy was that to make a gorgeous easel card? Folds flat to go in an envelope, and I think that's beautiful, is that? So I'm going to remind you of the cup number from Carol Dunne, and it's cup number 528094_173. Please be sure to check it out and check out the rest of Carol's beautiful designs. There's plenty more to see on there. I do hope you've enjoyed watching, and this has given you a good idea of how to make Carol's gorgeous easel card. So thank you for watching, and we shall see you next time.
Thank you, Anne-Marie. Thank you for showing us all how to make that lovely card. Carol, thank you to you as well, because that's a lovely card for us to all download. One thing though, crafters, if you've enjoyed the video and you think you would like to see more of me, please subscribe to our channel. Please tell your friends. It's something new for me. I'm really enjoying it. I've had a little bit of fun making it, to be honest, and if you'd like to see some more, as I say, please subscribe to the channel, and if possible, if you don't mind, leave comments on Facebook or even send the tickets in. As I said before, any feedback is good feedback, so that would be brilliant. Thank you. See you next time.